Guys, what's up? So today we're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for the month of March. So let's get into it. A little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so opening up the base box, we have the product card and it says Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. So this month's box will be full of products by women owners. All right, so the first product in this month's Boxycharm base box is the Thebriabeauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. And this is a cooling water-based gel primer that's really going to smooth and illuminate the skin. And you guys, when I put this on my skin, I absolutely loved the immediate luminosity that it gave my skin. And I do feel like my skin is kind of glowing from within, if that makes sense. The Thebriabeauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer retails for $26. Next, we have the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. And you guys, I have tried these before and I absolutely love them. They're super cooling, they hydrate the under eye, and they're super fun to put on. These are made from marine algae, and marine algae is chock full of vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. These under eye patches really soothe, firm, plump, and brighten the under eye area. I am in love with these. The Generation Skin Marine Algae Eye Patches retail for $49. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Luxie Florals brush set, and it comes in this cute little purple pouch. You open it up and inside is your detailing sponge and 4 brushes. The Florals brush set comes with a 219 eyeliner brush, a 205 tapered blending brush, a 213 eye shading brush, and a 211 concealer brush. The Luxie Florals brush set retails for $40. Next in the box, we have this Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that is natural and cruelty-free. It helps with hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines, and has so many good-for-you ingredients inside. The Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask retails for $19.95. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm base box, we have the Conrad The Eyeliner pen. And I just knew, you guys, I just knew that she was going to come out with an eyeliner because that's what she was known for when she was on the hills. This is a lightweight, non-smearing formula, and I love the pen. It's super sharp, and you're just going to be able to create those fine lines. And I actually have this on today. My eyeliner was a breeze today, you guys, and I owe it all to this pen. The Conrad Beauty Eyeliner Pen retails for $20. Well, that is it for this month's Boxycharm base box. Comment down below and tell me what product you hope to get inside your box. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get goodies delivered right to your front door every single month. Plus, Charmers get exclusive offers and really good deals. There is a box for everyone, so go check them out. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.